What is up? I got this mini chopper on OfferUp for only $12. Come check it out. I also got this free battery charger that came with it. Really cool deal. I mean, everything is there. The tire was flat, but I just pumped it up. It's good. Rear tire, I'm sure it'll be good. This thing looks pretty sick. I'm gonna leave it alone. Here's an update on the mini chopper. This came out in 2004, and this is a 24 volt, so we just took out the old batteries. The old batteries were kind of soldered in, so we're just going to chop these ends off, and we went ahead and got these new connections. Go ahead and get those on in preparation for the battery. We also got the voltmeter, so we're going to be able to see how many volts it has while we're riding, and that way we don't go below a certain voltage and ruin the batteries, because you do have to watch them and maintain any battery so they don't go below a certain voltage. Now, we bought one of these batteries for our Cat Eye pocket bike build. It's on my channel on this video here, but we didn't end up using it, so we had one and I decided might as well just buy another and make this a gel 24 volt chopper. Get them out. And then you do want to charge any battery when you get it from shipping up first with the charger. The charger that we were gifted from the lady that we purchased this bike was only for 12 volt and not a gel battery. So I noticed that after thinking about using this bike for the gel battery, I just found this on Amazon, and it's on eBay as well. But it's a 12 volt or 24 volt if you have it set up smart charger, and it works for gel, as you can see down here. So this should do just fine, and if we sell the bike, we'll sell it with the charger and advertise it as an upgraded gel battery bike. The cool thing, so we just have to change all the connectors. I'll get back to you on that. But the cool thing that we did install is this mini speaker, and it fits right on the front end of the frame, and it doesn't get hit by the forks. It's Bluetooth, and it has an underglow system of its own. So already this bike is coming together. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and open up the charger and then set up one of our batteries to charge. We're just going to charge it 12 volt separate until we get it set up in the bike. That's what the charger looks like. Also comes with the manual. Actually read this, don't throw it away. And let's get the battery set up. So we have the charger on. We do have to go into mode select. Now it's AGM gel selection. And then you just go ahead and take the negative, put it on the negative. Positive goes, you guessed it, on the positive. Don't pull a Grogu.
And put the blue one where the red one was. But be careful. They're oppositely charged, so keep them away from each other. Make sure you hold them apart from... No, hold them apart. Are you okay?
Check that out, it simultaneously started charging. Well, it was reading at 14, what was that? 14.4 volts, so I'm quite sure this battery is like 98%, 99% charged. But we're just gonna wait till it beeps or something. And then we'll go ahead and charge the other battery, and once they're both charged up, In the meanwhile, we're going to be adding on the connections. Nice and clean. I found this diagram online since after I added the connections and there was 4, I didn't know where they went, and it's a 24 volt system, but I found this diagram right here where if you just follow the back of the plug, you can follow the wires to the battery leads. See that it's got power and it says full on the green light. So we go ahead and push this button in and check it out, she moves. Not enough power for me. Unless it's just flat. I've completed the Razor chopper build. 21-year-old bike now. Looks pretty sick with the underglow speaker. Also, we were able to wire in pretty cleanly the new voltage meter. When you turn the handlebars, it doesn't affect it. You can see the wiring goes down into the loom, into a main switch because it's wired. When you turn it on, you can see it's at 25.7 volts. When you turn it off again, check that out. Pretty futuristic and digital. I think it looks pretty rad. So like I said, you can shut it off when you're done riding it. Got the casing back on. Also gonna take a picture and advertise the bike for sale, about 300. Down over here we got the power switch and it works. Let me turn on the voltage meter. That's pretty rad for an old bike. We gave it a new life. Hopefully you can see the lights on the handlebar, the voltmeter, got the power. Awesome. And it was actively reading the voltage as you ride. So like I said, the kid can have fun. It's at 25 volts still. Bring it in at like what, 18 volts, and it should be all right. And then make sure you charge it back up. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, it helps me out, and subscribe, it's free and it'll help me out. It's a big deal for YouTube to help my channel grow. Thanks for watching, take care.